In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a file in Jira. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to export your Jira data in a format that works for you and your team. Even if you're new to Jira, don't worry, I'll keep things simple and clear. First, you'll want to start by opening Jira in your browser and signing into your workspace. Once you're in, head over to the main navigation where your projects are listed. From here, select the project that contains the issues or data you want to export. This might be a software project, a service project, or any other type you're working with. When you click into your chosen project, Jira will load the board or list view, depending on how your project is configured. Take a moment to make sure you're looking at the right set of issues. For example, you might want to adjust your filters, your search query, or your status columns first. The export will reflect whatever is currently being displayed, so it's worth confirming you've got the correct view before moving on. Now look toward the right-hand side of the screen. You should see an export icon, usually represented by an upward arrow or a similar symbol indicating download or export. This icon is often located near the top right area of the issue list or board controls. Hover over it if you're not sure, and you should see a tooltip indicating that it's for exporting. Click on that export icon. When you do, Jira will open a small menu or dialog that gives you different export options. This is where you choose the type of export you want. Common options might include exporting to a spreadsheet format, like CSV, or to another structured file type that can be opened and analyzed in external tools. Take a moment to think about how you plan to use the data. If you want to sort, filter, or run reports in a tool like Excel or Google Sheets, choosing a spreadsheet-friendly option is usually best. If you're sharing data with another system or